teenagers?
No.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay.
What? Oh, sorry.
Talk about that, baby. Bob and Gina show here live. Boy, Facebook. I even deleted some videos. Live here in Strawberry, California, Highway 108.
You want to tell them like where we're not, or?
Well, we are not near the Strawberry on Highway 50.
Oh, okay.
We are not the Strawberry on Highway 50.
Okay, good, great,
Yes,
great,
yes.
great.
Same elevation though. Ish.
Okay, and
Okay.
so where are we, Gina? Tuolumne County?
Yeah, but
That's a good one.
people don't look up counties. Do they look up counties?
Women don't look up counties. Guys know counties.
Okay.
Yep.
Tuolumne County.
That's right. This episode of the Bob and Gina Show brought to you by my friends at Savage Land Management. Let's face the facts, people. There's 3 types of contractors you're going to get. You're going to get the ones that come up and and actually do show up, which is not always a given. They're going to show up and perform it for the price agreed upon. And then there are those who will show up, do it for the price agreed upon, and do quality work. You don't always get all 3, especially when you're on the mountain. Savage Land Management. Why hire a maybe for all 3? You need my man, Savage Land Management, where quality, punctuality, that's right,
Okay.
and price
Okay.
all collide.
Yes.
That's right.
Yes.
There's only one, and he's up here.
Yes.
Don't go with maybe construction. There's a lot of maybe this, maybe that. Go with the sure thing. Savage Land Management.
Yes. Yeah. Thankfully, because of him, things are getting done around here.
That's right.
And everywhere. Yeah. But he's a busy guy. How far does he go? Have you ever asked Jeff at Savage Land Management?
How far he goes?
How far? Yeah. How far?
His
does he
radius. Now other projects, and this is not lately. He was over in the Groveland area.
Oh.
Now I don't know that that's the case right now, because he's the type of guy who's not going to take on projects he can't do.
True.
He's going to take them on, and only if he can perform the kind of work he wants to perform, needs to perform for the price, and get it done. He's not a guy who's going to like get himself all thinned out all over the place.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Got it. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Savage.
That's
all right.
Okay, keep going, Gina.
Okay. Hey, sourdough bread is coming in from Pence Farm, downtown Sonora today. It's going to come in warm around 4 o'clock, 4:30 maybe, because we have a lot of loaves coming in.
That's right, because everything that is going to come in today will come in warm, because it's warm.
It's warm, but it's cooler. And it's going to cool down,
a
and
couple
then
of degrees
it's
today.
81 up here today, and then tomorrow and Saturday are cooler. But we are bringing in a lot of bread
That's right.
for you.
Traditional.
Well, you didn't even tell me the flavors.
I didn't. Go
Bacon,
ahead.
cheddar,
Garlic, Swiss.
and lemon blueberry is back this week. That sold out really fast last week.
One I haven't seen in a while, sun-dried tomato pesto.
Pesto.
Yeah, but not just pesto.
Sun-dried tomato.
Tomato
Pesto.
pesto.
Havarti Dill.
Oh, it's real.
Havarti Dill
you make fun of me.
is back. Yes, that's another delicious
right.
one.
My man at Jimmy P at Pence Farm getting the job done again. That's right. Lemon blueberry.
Go like this. Just read them off like this. Can you see him?
I can see him.
Okay.
What?
Can you see him? Just read them quickly.
Yeah, traditional Havarti Dill, sun-dried tomato pesto, lemon blueberry, garlic Swiss, bacon cheddar.
That is so interesting that you read it from the bottom up. Like
I just chose to. I can do whatever.
you can do whatever you want.
I can do whatever I
However,
want.
you can't use the C card much longer, buddy.
I can.
No. Hey, Bob's cancer marker came back last night.
Yep, kicking the crap out of it.
Yes. At
That's right.
death, he was at
1,000.
900 and
1,000.
something. Yeah,
1,000.
close to 1,000. So the cancer grew like this and went to a very deadly stage. And then where are you today?
106.
106.
Something like
yeah,
that, something
from
like
death
that.
at 1,000 down to 106. But explain to the people you explained to Scott last night. You were saying a person walking around is...
So an average person walking around, what this blood test measures is, it's the closest thing to a bone marrow biopsy. That's the only way you could really get to the bone and inside of it and find out what's going on. So the average person walking around is between 0 and 3. And that would be considered normal and quote-unquote cancer-free. And I've always ran in the 5 to 12 range when I'm healthy. And once it starts getting near 50, we get agitated and wonder what's going on. And when I got really sick, it went to 1,000, and it's like a forest fire out of control. And it was doubling almost every week.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That was horrible.
Yeah. And so the drugs are working, and we're cutting it by like 50% every week. So all the way down from 100 to 50, or 100, from 1,000 to 106. If I had a goal, I'd love to see 50 next week.
Yeah.
50 would be good.
Yeah. Now, taste buds are coming back. If you know somebody who has multiple myeloma, the medicine that he is on currently is called Talvi, and there's a lot of research out there with that one. It is a newer drug, but we are trying to be transparent through this whole process. Yes, he was going to die like that. He was close to death in April, and now he's not, and he's here, and I get to enjoy
like
him
it or not.
always.
Like it or not.
Always, because of prayer and faith and the Lord. That's the only way that we've been able to walk through this dark valley. Not that you need the Lord when you're sick, but we just want you to know that has helped us get through this whole thing. But yes, so 100, and then maybe by the end of July, he did gain 2 pounds.
2 pounds.
Woo, Bobby!
That's right. I'm on my way to being a fat kid.
So
Oh, I will be.
he's starting to be able to taste. It's been like 11, 12 weeks, and so all good things are happening over here.
Getting there. It's getting there. It's all things
And
good.
he's kind of back to work too. He's going in his lane and doing his thing. So you are. I'm
Yeah.
still in charge.
Yeah, you still get sideswiped like you're
But-
a diesel headed down the freeway, headed right at me all the time.
Okay, drum roll. People want to know the raffle reveal.
Let me tell you, people, you know what the number is this week? Woo!
I thought you were going to do your drum roll.
Oh, no, I
Here,
forgot.
I'll
No.
do it.
The number is 77.
77, and we have quite a few winners this week. Last week was 67, and he spun his little generator, 77. Facebook, I have 2 winners from Facebook with 77, both of them named Lisa Brooks and Lisa Fessenmeyer. I like that.
I wish I had a fun name.
I know. Fessenmeyer?
I'm Bob.
You're Bob. Anyway, okay, you have Instagram. You have 3 winners.
Angela A. Smith.
Okay?
You get compliments on the A, I bet. Dana Marie Hoff. That's D-A-N-A.
Oh,
Dana Marie.
I think she's ordered
Hoff.
fudge before.
I believe she has. And Ari _Ash 32. Ari
_
Ash 32.
All right, 5
That's
winners
right,
this week.
baby.
I will do my best to reach out to you, and you tell us what fudge you want, or you come in here and see good old Bob.
While he's still here. Well, you're either going to fire me again. You'll find a reason.
No, you can stay here as long
That's
as
right.
your
No,
liver isn't
no,
failing.
No,
and
you want me here through the summer.
I do.
Let's just be
I
honest
do.
about this.
I need
Come
you through
fall,
the
you
summer.
don't need me.
We'll see.
I'm
We'll see.
more of an annoyance.
Oh, you're my Bob.
Don't get weird.
Okay. Hey, Fudge, we told you yesterday that I told you yesterday that I wanted to show you how pretty the bacon maple was. Somebody did comment. I think, Kathy, it was you that commented that you thought it sounded good. This is how pretty it is. That doesn't show Instagram, you don't see it as pink, but super pretty. Yeah, if fudge could be pretty, it's pretty. And then I did open this one. I just wanted to smell it. Oh, smell it. Like it's bacon maple.
Holy Moses.
Yeah, for sure.
It's syrup over bacon.
That and we talked
It's
about
maple
that.
syrup over bacon.
Like pouring syrup on there.
That's what I do.
I know.
I do it by the gallon.
Okay. Did we talk about bread? We did. Huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It's
Okay.
Thrillin' Thursday.
Yeah.
Lots going on.
Yeah. What happened yesterday, Gina?
I don't know. Bob.
We reloaded Sweetwater pork.
Okay.
Oh,
I wasn't downstairs, so I don't know what pork you got in.
Oh,
But we're already at 11 minutes.
I know.
You can
I
tell
know.
about the pork.
I know. I'll go into it. I'll
You'll
go
see
into
him
it tomorrow. But we loaded Sweetwater pork. Thank goodness the boys showed up, and we are gangbusters for the weekend.
Yeah, we have good stuff. We'll talk to you about it tomorrow. Though,
I'll
'cause
show
it's-
you some tomorrow.
Oh, show
That's right.
them tomorrow.
That's right.
Okay.
Tune in and see my pork.
Oh.
What? What?
That's great.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Hey, you
All
know
right,
what?
we love you guys.
Life isn't bad where you live, but you know what? Life is great. Woo! If you live on the 108.
He's back.
Nah, I'm something.